I've got mail! Hi everybody, welcome to another video and thank you for stopping by today. If you're new here, my name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. In today's video, I am doing a fun unboxing of the Sewciety Box June 2020 subscription. Sewciety Box, if you've never heard of them before, is a monthly subscription sewing box. First of all, this is not an ad. Second of all, this is not sponsored. I actually won this box in a giveaway. So the Sewciety Box was having a giveaway on their Instagram. Honestly, I don't even remember entering. It's one of those things where you come across a giveaway and you enter and then you forget about it. And then you're tagged as the winner and you're like, wait, what? That's literally how this went for me. It was just one of those giveaways that I entered. I just had no expectation of winning. So this is going to be my first time doing an unboxing on my channel, I think. And it's going to be my first time seeing what the Sewciety Box is all about. So I went on their website and got all the necessary information so I can share with you. So what they say over on their website is that this is a subscription box for anyone who loves sewing. I'm included in that bracket, so I hope I'm going to love this box. Of course, the main thing you want to know is what you get in the box. So before I even unbox my package, let us dive into the contents of the package. You get 2 yards or more of high quality fabric. You get an indie sewing pattern, either in paper or PDF form. Of course, if you're getting a PDF, they will give you most likely a coupon code. I think I am pronouncing this right. You get matching Gutermann thread. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, because I always heard different pronunciations of this word, but I think the majority say Gutermann. And obviously, since I can't pronounce it, you know that this is going to be my first time even touching Gutermann thread. So then you get another smaller cut of fabric for a smaller project, and you get a pattern for that project as well. From research, this is usually like a bag or some other small item that is not clothing related. And you get 3 or more notions. So we're thinking zippers, buttons, snaps, all that good stuff. All of the stuff you need to do the projects in the box. So the Sewciety Box has 3 different subscription types. You have 1 month, the 3 month, and the 6 month. And they did say that if you purchase one of the multi-month subscriptions, so the 3 or the 6, you get some little bonuses in your box. One of the examples they give is that the fabric that comes in your box is usually from a featured fabric designer or artist, and then you will get some sort of notion or gift related to that designer in the 3 or 6 month box. I hope I'm understanding all of this correctly, but one of the examples was a pin. So let's talk price versus value. The price of a 1 month subscription is $48 US, which already sounds to me like less than the value, because you're getting 2.5 yards of fabric plus a pattern, then another smaller cut of fabric and a pattern to go with that, plus the notions, plus the thread. I think you've already gone over the $48. And they say that the retail value is over $60. So now for the exciting part that I've been waiting for all day since I've had this package in my hands, because this literally came in the mail today. We are going to dive in to the box together to see if we get everything that I said we would get, to see if we love everything we got, and just to do a little value price comparison. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. So this is what the box looks like. To be honest, I was really surprised by the size of this box. After reading the listing of what all is supposed to be in this box is really small. As you can see, there was a massive piece of tape all around the box from my freighter, but I already removed all of that so that I can open it easily. And they would have already gone to this box for customs purposes, so inside may not necessarily look the way it will look when you get your box. Yes, they already opened my box. So, oh, it seems as though they actually did not trouble my tissue paper. This that was on top was some sort of Pelon. Oh, this is the Pelon that I always see you guys talking about, Shape Flex 101. This is the first time I am actually feeling what this feels like. Right, so right on top of the box, the first thing is what you get in the June box. So we have Rayon Blend Knit Fabric, Art Gallery Fabric by Bonnie Christine, Sewing Tote, Brunch Dress PDF pattern by Missy Rose, reusable gift bag pattern by Little Spoons Draw, and Gutermann thread and bobbin buddy. Use the box this month and every month to store all your projects neatly and keep important pieces together. This box also includes fusible interfacing to complete the mini projects. And then I have my coupon code for the PDF pattern. Of course, I will not be sharing that. The first thing I see on top here is the Art Gallery Fabrics by Bonnie Christine, it was, I think. Yes. So this is for the smaller projects. This is super cute. And on the fabric, there are words. That one says, love you to the moon and back. This one says, you are my sunshine. And it's giving me fall vibes. There are sewing machines on it. And those look like some little butterflies, roses, fruits. This is really cute. The next thing I see is a solid. More than likely this is for either contrast or lining for that small project. And on the selvage it says Pure Solids Collection, Designer Collection. This is also at Gallery Fabrics, 100% premium cotton. Then I see something I absolutely love, and that is this gorgeous snake print fabric, and this is for the brunch dress. I actually commented when they posted on their Instagram the fabric choices. I actually commented and I was like, oh my gosh, is that snake print? And I think they may have seen my comment. So this fabric has shades of navy blue. There's like a brownish color, gray, white. It feels absolutely amazing. Really, really, really soft. This is the wrong side. Very, very soft and drapey, just like your typical rayon jersey. But this one actually feels a little bit better than any rayon jersey I have used before. So I think they hit the nail on the head when they said top quality fabric. Then I see this sewing tote. Says I love sewing. This is so cute. I will be using this for sure, even on my grocery store trips. And then there is my Gutermann thread with the bobbin holder, and this one is black. So this is what the bobbin holder looks like. You just slip it inside and then you could have your matching bobbin on top. So quick recap to make sure I got everything that is supposed to be in there. I got my rayon fabric, I got the gallery fabrics, my sewing tote, the brunch dress pattern. I have the code for that, and the reusable gift bag pattern. I have the code for that as well. And then I have my Gutermann thread and my bobbin buddy, and also my Pelon. So yes, that is everything that was in the June Sewciety box. Getting a package in the mail is just the most exciting thing ever. I can tell you, as soon as I get my packages, I just rip through them right away. So it was really painful to sit and watch this box on the side of the bed for the whole day until I finally got to open it just now with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed diving into that package with me. First of all, I love absolutely everything I got in the package. But more importantly, let's go through what they said on the website that you would get in your box and see if I got everything. 2 yards or more of high quality fabric. Tick. I got 2.56 yards. So specific. 2.56 yards of rayon jersey. And that is for the indie pattern. Tick. So the pattern for June was the brunch dress by Missy Rose. I've never heard of Missy Rose before. I looked them up. I think it's an Australian designer. I actually love this dress pattern and I love the fabric I received. Now I think I have a collection of 4 or 5 tie front knit dresses, and I'm thinking of doing like either a series of videos or a video comparing the patterns. Let me know if that is something you will be interested in. Then I did get my Gussaman thread, and that came with a bobbin body. So I'm guessing the bobbin body would count as a notion in a type of way. And then for the smaller cut of fabric and the smaller project pattern, there's a reusable gift bag pattern by Little Spoons Draw. Never heard of them before either. So one of the things I'm noticing is that this is a good way to get exposed to indie designers that you may not have heard of before. I'm excited to try both of these patterns to see if these companies are going to join my favorites list. Both of them are PDF patterns, so I got my codes for those. For the reusable gift bag pattern, I got the outer fabric, lining fabric, and I also got some Pellon Shape Flex 101. And then I got a I Love Sewing tote bag. So the only part I would say that threw me off a little bit was the 3 or more notions, but then my patterns don't seem to require any notions anyway, so I guess that is why they threw in the bag and also the bobbin body, and I guess the interfacing would also count as a notion. I feel like if a subscription box like this is really fun because you have no idea what you're getting. I mean, you get a little sneak peek here and there on Instagram, but you really don't know exactly what you're getting, and each month there are like different fabrics, so you don't know which one you are getting. But it felt like Christmas in a way because it was surprising to see what was in the box. And for that little tiny box, you actually get a good amount of things in there. I was really surprised at the size of the box, and now I'm really surprised that all of that stuff fit in the box so neatly, especially the amount of fabric. So would I say that the box is worth the $48? I cannot see myself getting these items, especially those fabrics. Gussaman thread is not the cheapest either. Then you have 2 patterns in there. I definitely think that all of this would have added up to more than the $48. So that is it for my unboxing and my little recap of my experience with the Sewciety box. If you've never heard of them before and this is something that you would be interested in, I'm going to link the website down below so you can go and check out the subscription service. So that is it for today's video. Let me know what you think of the things that I got in the box. I truly enjoyed opening it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below. If you have not subscribed already, you can't miss it. It's a big red button. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. That is it for me today. I am out, and I will catch you in my next video.